Hey kids, welcome to section 4.1 deposits. Today we're going to learn how to compute the total checking account deposit. Today's big question: how do you think most people receive their pay from their employer? I'm pretty sure most people get direct deposit nowadays. You used to have to get a paper check and take it to the bank and cash it or deposit it, but pretty sure most people nowadays get their check direct deposited. I've heard of some kids getting their check on like a debit card. So each place again is slightly different. So a deposit consists of checks, currency, or coins that you put into a banking account or a savings and loan or a credit union or a brokerage firm. Basically, if you're putting money into an account, a checking account, a savings account, a money market account, a CD, this is called a deposit. The phrase for deposit only and the account number should be written on the back of the check. This ensures that the check cannot be cashed by someone else if it is lost or stolen. So you kind of want to claim that check as your own. Your employer can also make a direct deposit of your check, which we just talked about. And a direct deposit is when your employer uh, takes money out of their account and puts it into your account using an electronic transfer. You can also use an ATM. ATM stands for automated teller machine. And this is, before the invention of apps, people went to ATMs and deposited their paycheck or withdrew cash or did transfers from checkings to savings or vice versa. When you use an ATM, you need an ATM card. And with that comes a PIN or a personal identification number. And a lot of you guys have debit cards that you use at stores to purchase items. And those debit cards are linked directly to your checking account. So when you type in your PIN, that is the same PIN that you would type in at an ATM if you were trying to get cash. You should never share your PIN with anyone else. I know a lot of people share passwords and share PINs, and that can be dangerous and can lead to identity theft. So please always be aware of who knows how to get into your stuff. So if I want to find a total deposit, I'm going to add all of the currency, which is the bills, coins, which is the nickels and dimes, and checks, add them all together. And if I want to receive any cash back for whatever reason, I would subtract that off the total. So I have been known to deposit bills into the bank, but then I want a particular bill back. So if I'm putting 20s into the bank, I might want to get $100 back, $100 bill. So some people do want specific bills back when they receive cash. Okay, example number one. These are deposit slips. Now, each bank, kids, has a different looking deposit slip. Sometimes they're different colors, sometimes they're white, sometimes they're side to side, sometimes they're up and down. Each bank has a different deposit slip. So, this is one example of one kind of deposit slip. Manuel Romero is making a deposit to his checking account. He has checks for 435.20, 271.19, and 327.96. His cash consists of 15 $1 bills, 7 $5 bills, 3 $10 bills, 24 quarters, 5 dimes, 15 nickels, and 4 pennies. Find the total deposit. All right, so let's see what we can fill out on the deposit slip. I know the name, Manuel Romero. I don't know the date or the account number. It's from the Money Bank in Cashton, North Carolina. Let's see. On the top is cash. Well, I don't really know yet, so let's figure it out. I have 15 $1 bills, and I have 7 $5 bills, 3 $10 bills, 24, and each quarter is 0.25. 5 dimes is 0.10. 15 nickels is 0.05. And 14 pennies 0.01. So this is all the cash and coins that I need to deposit. So let's see how much this is. This is 15. 35, 30, 24 quarters is $6. 5 dimes is 50 cents. 15 nickels is 75 cents. And 14 quarters is 14 cents. Grand total cash deposit of $87.39. So that is our cash. 87. Oh, that's awful. Sorry. 87.39. Now, in terms of checks, I have 3 checks, so we're going to list them separately. Doesn't matter if you start on the first line or not. 435.20 and 271.19 and 327.96. I don't have anything else to list. I'm not getting any cash back. So I'm going to find the subtotal by adding these guys together. I guess I don't need the plus sign there. But we're going to take these and we're going to add them together, and the answer is going to go in the subtotal. So if I add the cash and the checks together, I get $1,121.74. I'm not getting any cash back. So my deposit is $1,121.74. So you can put the little line there for not available. You can put zeros there. It's your choice. All right, number 2, Emily Anderson's deposit includes 2 checks, $231.09 and $987.67. Then there's 9 $1 bills, 8 $10 bills, 14 quarters, 25 dimes, 18 nickels, and 64 pennies. She received $40 from the total amount. Find the deposit. Okay, so Emily Anderson. Let's see her cash. She's got 9 $1 bills, 8 $10 bills, 14 quarters, that's 0.25, 25 dimes, that's 0.10, 18 nickels, that's 0.05, and 64 pennies, that's 0.01. So that's 9.80, $3.50, $2.50, 90 cents, and 64 cents. Total cash is $96.54. So $96.54. Checks, we have 231.09 and 98767. It does say that she received 40 from the total amount, so that's the less cash. So less cash means you're depositing all of this less this amount of cash. So we're going to add these up to get this subtotal. So if I add all those up, I get $1,315.30. If I keep $40, I get $1,275.30. That's my deposit. All right, so these are examples of deposit slips that go side to side. Let's see some deposit slips that go up and down. So, example number 3, Julie Fisher filed her tax return in February and just got her tax rebate check for $1,500 plus her economic stimulus check for $300. She also has a paycheck from Super Saver for $486.50. On December 21st, 2008, she deposits all 3 checks into her checking account, which is number 159753, and decides to keep $200 in cash. Find Julie's total deposit. All right, so do we have the date? Yes, it's 12/21/08. The name is Julie Fisher. Her account number is 159753. Currency. Well, let's see. She has a tax rebate check of $1,500. She has the economic stimulus check of $300. She has a paycheck of $486.50, and she's going to keep $200, so less cash received. She doesn't have any currency or coin, so I can add the three checks together, and that's going to be my subtotal. So if I add them up, I get $2,286.50. If I subtract the $200, I get a total deposit of $2,086.50. All right, number 4. Today is May 7th, 2013. Help Harvey Bond fill out a deposit slip. His account number is 251-856-2499. He has $42.68 in cash and 3 checks. Number 695 for $235.41. Number 157 for $625.76. And number 549 for $10.12. Harvey needs $20 cash. Find his total deposit. All right, the date is May 7th, 5/7 of 13. His name is Harvey Bond. His account number 251-856-2499. Currency, let's see, is 42.68. So we're going to put 42 under currency. And then coin is 68. Some banks separate cash and coin, some banks don't. Checks. The first check is $235.41. And we're going to put that it's check number 695. Then we have check number 157. And the check numbers bounce around. That's because he's putting the checks in. He's not writing the checks. 625.76. Then we got check 549, and it's for $10.12, and he needs $20 back in cash. Find the deposit. All right, so we're going to take all the cash, coins, and checks, and we're going to add them up, and that's going to be our subtotal. So if I add them up, I get $913.97. If I need to keep $20, I get $893.97. Awesome. All right, kids, that's section 4.1. If you have any questions, please let me know. And as always, keep calm and keep trucking.